guys, today we're gonna install my brand new tail light. Looks like it's gonna be like GTS style one. So I already bought it, it's already here, and I already took off some. Let me show you. So I already took off some. You want a cover, don't mind it, and then here, and then here. So let me just go and grab it. Okay, give me a second. So here's the one piece. Let me a little bit. Dang. Yeah, should be plug and play. Clear one. And then plug it. Should be good. So the little bit, put it back. Then let me go and grab the other side one. So it's gonna look like this. Gonna pop this thing off. Wait. Okay. Okay, so yeah, should be plug and play. Which one is it? So I already plug it in, and let's see. Let me turn it on. Hopefully you can see it. Simple and easy to do. Too much running. The box. little bit more. Black. This side. Get right. And the back, damn, this thing looks completely different. Okay, so far, manda, we finished for the headlight, tail light, and side mirror. So, dang, looks good. That's it. Then let's go see the back. I'm gonna lower it, so I'm still waiting for time to install it. As you can see here, the best mode I have so far is this student driver. Yep, that's all. Simple. Yeah, I haven't installed this, but what do you think? What? Mấy tỏi. What do you think? Mantap. Okay, good night.